Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this cute little snowman that looks like shutters. I'm so excited for this project. I can't wait to share with you. Most of this is just using craft sticks, so stay tuned guys, let's get crafting. So I found this cute little guy on Google Images, and I knew we could recreate this using some Dollar Tree items and some craft sticks. So we are gonna be using red, white, and black. I'm using plaster from Waverly, one of these disposable tins from Dollar Tree, and then I'm just gonna use the garland off this joy ornament. I'm using larger craft sticks from Walmart and the smaller ones from Dollar Tree. So I measured this out on my cutting mat just because I knew I could get it straight. But you can use a ruler. And you're going to want to use 3 of the big craft sticks. 2 for each side, 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom. You can cut the 1 craft stick in half and you can use that for the top and bottom. So those will be your fat edges. Then you'll come back in with the smaller crafting sticks from Dollar Tree and you're going to cut them down to size to fill in that gap. It took 9 of the smaller ones. Once I had them all cut down to size, I just hot glued them to the bottom edge of each craft stick, going all the way down till I filled in the gap. I like to save the scraps and use them for other projects. They're great for securing the backs of different projects, so I just set those aside and I started gluing these down. Now you're going to want this square at the top, so you're going to want to cut off the top of this. I did this after because I wanted it to be flush and straight, and I figured I could get a straighter line doing it after it was already put together than before. So using your black paint, you're going to want to paint the top of this. I think I went down like 2 rungs, maybe after the chunkier top, I went down just 1 popsicle stick down and I painted black. Then I came back in with the red and I did 1 popsicle stick line of red, or craft stick. I always call them popsicle sticks. And then the rest of it I painted the white color. So set that aside to dry and then cut a piece off of your tin. All I did was cut the end off, that way I would have a lot more tin for future projects. And cut this down into a square. I actually had to trim this because I thought I had it the right size and I kept having to just trim a little bit more. But this piece is going to work great for the ridge of his hat and his nose. So you're going to want to take it and cut it into kind of a skinny piece. Like I said, I cut mine way too fat. And then I was folding it into an accordion, but I folded it the wrong way. So do not fold it like this. You want to fold it the other way. With the other piece you cut off, you're just going to want to cut a little carrot nose and fold that also into an accordion, which my hands are in the way and it's kind of hard to see. So then take your black paint and you're going to paint the rectangle piece black, and then you're going to paint the nose orange. I just used orange and folk art metallic and it seemed to work good, and it got the color orange that I wanted. I'm going to show you in a few minutes or seconds the right way to fold that. So after you're done painting that black, you're going to come back in with your paintbrush and you're just going to go over the white and just add a little black streaks to it just to make it look like farmhouse wood. So there's that metallic and orange, which I used to paint the nose. Okay, so this is the right way to fold it. And you're just going to fold it in front, fold it in back, fold it in front, accordion style, and go all the way down and then kind of pull it out. Don't flatten it, just pull it out and you'll have those cute little ridges. Once you have it where the way you want it, the size you want it, you also want it to hang off of this. So you want a little bit hanging off of each side, then you can glue it down. Now you might want to use finger protectors because it is hot when you're pressing that down on the hot glue. Using a paint pen, I came in and I just drew 2 eyes. And I kind of did the long oval circles and made 2 eyes in black. And then I came back in with a white paint pen and just added 2 dots to the top of the eyes, just to give it some character. I hot glued the nose down, and then I came back in with the black paint pen, and my husband's cutting the grass, so you might be hearing him right now. And I drew his mouth by just doing polka dots in a half moon circle and making them just a little round circles basically for his mouth. He is just so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love this little shutter snowman. I didn't have any red buffalo check, but I did have black, so I figured that would be super cute too. And I just hot glued it to the back and then wrapped it around twice so that it was a little thicker in the front. And then I used that buffalo check ribbon and I just tied a bow. Nothing fancy, just tied a little bow and hot glued that to the center. Now using the garland off of that joy ornament that you can get at Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure they sell those every year. It was the perfect size to add a little garland to the top of his hat. It also has pine cones and little red berries. So I didn't even have to do anything special. I just took it off the one ornament and I put it on his hat. So cute, and it really just finishes this off perfectly. He's so adorable. He can be used for so many things. You could put him on a 3-tiered shelf or just add him to your Christmas decor. You could even put twine at the top of his hat and you could hang him on your Christmas tree. So there's so many things that you could do with this little snowman shutter. I think he's adorable. He was so much fun and so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is part of my 25 days of Christmas, a video every day, and this was video number 3. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that like button. It tells YouTube you liked it and they should suggest it to other people. I'm getting tongue-tied. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful holiday season, and I love y'all. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.